Hello, today we will guide you through how to open a Trading 212 Cash ISA. Before we begin, a quick note. A Cash ISA is designed for eligible UK residents to earn interest tax-free, and you can only pay into one Cash ISA per tax year. So have your details ready and make sure this is the account you want to use for the current tax year. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Trading 212 website. On the top right of the homepage, look for the Open Account button and select it. This begins the sign-up flow and takes you to a secure onboarding page. You'll be asked for your country of residence. Select the country where you're legally resident for tax purposes. If you're aiming to open a Cash ISA, you'll typically need to select the United Kingdom. Make your selection, then continue by choosing Next. When prompted with terms and key disclosures, take a moment to review them carefully. These will include important information about how your data is used, account conditions, and, for ISAs, key declarations. When you're comfortable, choose I agree to proceed. You'll now see an option to choose an account. This is where you select the account type you want. For our goal today, pick the ISA or Cash ISA option rather than Invest or CFD. This ensures you're starting the ISA-specific application path. If you see a confirmation prompt, select OK to continue. Next, create your login. Enter your email address and a strong, unique password and keep these details secure. If you use a password manager, now is a good time to save your credentials. Where available, enable two-factor authentication later for added security. You may see a checkbox that asks you to confirm that you've read and accept the relevant policies or that your information is accurate. Tick the checkbox after reviewing the text so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. When everything looks correct, select Create Account. That completes the basic profile setup. Depending on availability and regulation, you may be guided through identity verification and ISA-specific declarations next, which is standard for financial accounts. If you'd like to get comfortable with the interface first, you can choose Practice with Virtual Money for demo purposes. This lets you explore the platform safely without affecting a real ISA. Keep in mind, practicing doesn't open a live Cash ISA. When you're ready to proceed for real, return to the account selection and continue with the Cash ISA option, completing any verification and funding steps required. That's it. You've started the process to open a Trading 212 Cash ISA in a clear, secure, and compliant way.